What if I told you that you could go from zero to a few $1,000s in just 30 days? Now imagine being able to do this without needing your own product, without having your own website, and without having any concerns about logistics or payments. All you need to do is to put the right product in front of the right audience and enjoy the profits. Sound good? Well, more of that after the intro. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel that teaches you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. If you're a digital nomad or if you want to become one, and this is the kind of content that you're interested in, then please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you've been doing your research, then you've probably heard that affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. People have literally gone from zero to thousands of dollars in a month just learning how to do this and promoting the right product in the right place. For today's video, I wanted to share this software that offers an affiliate program that's been working for many and is already loved by a ton of the biggest brands around the world. I'll also be sharing my own strategies on how you can make sure you get as much referrals as you can. While it's true that you can easily go to platforms like ClickBank or Digistore to look for products with affiliate links, I personally like choosing affiliate products that people already know and trust. Simply because with a good product, the profit that you will receive will keep recurring. And this is what we want because for a platform like the one I'll be sharing with you today, every single one of your referrals who registers through your link brings you a lifetime in commissions. And then your effort will be rewarded each time the auto renewal payment is made. And really, isn't that what passive income is all about? So the affiliate product in question for today is called Mangools. So as you can see on their website, Mangools is an SEO or search engine optimization tool that helps websites rank in Google and be searchable. As you can see here, it's being endorsed by some pretty huge names like Brian Dean of Backlinko.com and Julia McCoy of ContentHacker.com. It's also a tool that's being used by a lot of really big name brands such as Adidas, Alexa, Skyscanner, Airbnb, etc. So Mangools has an affiliate program which offers 30% commissions to its affiliates, and I'm going to show you today how you can be making left and right commissions from that passively. The first thing you'll need to do will be to visit their website, mangools.com, and fill out the simple sign-up form and click on I'm not a robot. You don't need to tick on this box that says receive product updates and special offers, unless you want to, of course. So after you've done that and have confirmed your email address, you'll have access to the dashboard and will see that you also get access to a 10-day free trial. You'll also be able to get your affiliate link on the left-hand part of the page right over here. And you'll want to copy your link so you can start making money from this website. Now don't worry because even without any experience in affiliate marketing, you'll still be able to do this because Mangools has already prepared promo materials for its affiliate partners like yourself, which you can access after you log in. I'll show you exactly where to effectively promote these materials to get you the most number of referrals. And before we get into that, if you're enjoying this video so far, or if you're getting any value from it, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below because it really supports the channel. So back to Mangools, let's quickly go through their affiliate stats. It says here that they offer a 30% commission rate, which I told you about earlier. It also says that they have a 30-day cookie, which essentially means that if someone clicks on your link, rests for a while, lets it sit there, and then buys within 30 days, then that sale will still be credited to a referral made by you. Now it's time to talk about how to promote your affiliate link, and this will again be through our ever-reliable friend Google. Now what you want to do is scour the World Wide Web for local businesses and small websites that are trying to rank on Google. So you can literally type in any city of your choice, say for example, Los Angeles, New York, and personally I want to try San Francisco. And you can also type in your preferred industry or business type. So let's go with San Francisco Dental Clinics, for example. Okay, and here you can see that Google will populate with all of these websites and businesses. Now, we don't want to be contacting the ones on the first page because what we're going to try to do is to contact the littler ones and convince them why they need Mangools in the first place. See, if they had a website that ranked on the first page of Google, then it would be less likely for them to be interested in the. So what you'll want to do is just to keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page, or maybe move forward to the next few pages, because these are the guys who do have businesses but are maybe struggling to get discovered online. So once you find a few of these, what you'll want is to visit each website individually and to look for the email address. You'll find this either on the top or bottom part of the page. Don't worry, it's pretty easy to find. Okay, like for example, this website over here, it has a phone number and an email address. So what you'll want to do would be to save that along with the website name, maybe on Google Sheets or Excel, whichever you prefer to use, and just keep going until you build that solid list. Now, as I said, you can do this with any city or any industry. You can choose, for example, veterinarian in Vancouver or gyms in Sydney. It works anywhere in the world. Keep in mind that the more companies you send emails to, the higher the chance that you close a sale. One thing that I personally love about Mangools is that they offer a 10-day free trial to those who click on your link. So many people do feel skeptical sharing their information or automatically buying into something that they're not very familiar with. So this is something that is definitely an advantage. So let me give you a few points on that script that you'll want to use when you start sending emails to the database that you've built. Of course, you'll need to talk about what Mangools is, why it's credible. You'll want to mention all of the different features of the site, how it can help their website rank and business grow, how it can help them find the best keyword and optimize searches that are being made on Google that are related to their business, of course. After that, you'll want to offer them the free 10-day trial and also mention why you think it would be beneficial for them to sign up or at least give it a try. So Mangools' most popular package is priced at around $40 a month, and it would totally make sense for a dental clinic owner, say in San Francisco, to sign up for an account, because if they close even just one new client through the tool, they would be getting their investment back and then some. As always, guys, I do recommend that you get started on this right away, because tomorrow you will only wish that you had started sooner. If you enjoyed this video or have any questions about how it works, do let me know in the comment section down below. Please also like, share, subscribe, smash that notification bell and all that other good stuff, because it really does support the channel. We also have a ton of other money-making ideas that you might want to try, and I'll leave links of those for you as well. Alrighty then, take care, and I'll see you again on the next one.